Is this Boonville? Is there a boat ramp? A boat ramp in Boonville. Oh, okay. Thank you. Arkansas, but I got to go into Boonville for supplies. And Sioux Falls. Yeah, South Dakota. It's not looking good. I don't see any sign of a boat ramp. There's got to be something. No, this is 18 months. Thank you. I can't pass this place up. Doesn't matter how I get into town. We got to get into town. I don't have enough food. I might be in trouble. I don't see any way. Come on, there's got to be a way to get off the river, and it's a pretty good sized town. Well, here's the automobile bridge. If I get past this and there's no boat ramp, I'm gonna pull up on the dirt and just try to get through the forest. I got to get the bike up there too, and a bunch of other gear, because I don't want it to get stolen. And if it gets stolen, I want to have some stuff with me, you know, that I desperately need to survive. I think that guy back there in Lexington was trying to tell me that there was no boat ramp here. It was going to be hard to get into town here. He's talking about it's looking pretty poorly. It's not looking good. Come on, there's got to be a boat ramp.